When it comes to making healthier choices, sugar-free sweeteners often seem like an obvious solution. They promise the sweetness we crave without the calories or dreaded sugar spikes, and for years, they've been marketed as a guilt-free alternative for sodas, desserts, and even everyday coffee. But what's really going on beneath the surface? As more and more studies emerge and experts weigh in, it becomes clear that the reality behind sugar-free sweeteners is more complex, and in some cases, more eye-opening than most people realize. First, let's understand what sugar-free sweeteners are. These compounds, often referred to as artificial or non-nutritive sweeteners, include familiar names like aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and stevia. Some are synthesized in laboratories, while others come from plant sources but are still processed to deliver intense sweetness without the calories of regular sugar. The logic is simple. Replace sugar with something sweet but calorie-free, and you'll cut down your sugar intake without sacrificing taste. On the surface, this seems like a win-win. People with diabetes are told they can enjoy sweets without risking blood sugar spikes. Eaters see an opportunity to indulge without derailing their progress. Even major beverage companies have jumped on board, rolling out diet and zero versions of their most popular drinks. But the story doesn't end there. Let's start with health impact. One of the biggest selling points of sugar-free sweeteners is their supposed safety for people who need to watch their blood sugar. While it's true that most artificial sweeteners won't raise blood glucose in the same way table sugar does, the body's response to these compounds can be surprisingly complicated. Some research suggests that regularly consuming artificial sweeteners may alter the gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract that play a crucial role in metabolism and overall health. When this delicate ecosystem is disrupted, it can lead to unexpected consequences, including impaired glucose tolerance and inflammation. There's also mounting evidence that sugar-free sweeteners might not be as friendly to weight loss as originally thought. In theory, swapping sugar for zero-calorie alternatives should help shed pounds, but some studies have found the opposite. People who regularly consume diet sodas or sugar-free products may be more likely to gain weight over time. Why? One possible explanation is that these sweeteners can trick the brain. Sweet taste without calories may confuse appetite regulation, leading people to eat more later on. Another theory is psychological. When people choose diet options, they might feel justified in indulging elsewhere, offsetting any calorie savings. Then, there's the question of cravings. Sweetness is a powerful sensation, and our bodies are hardwired to seek it out. Artificial sweeteners are often many times sweeter than sugar itself. Over time, regular consumption can desensitize taste buds, making naturally sweet foods like fruit seem less appealing. This can create a cycle where you crave even more sweetened foods, making it harder to enjoy healthier, less processed options. Safety is another area of concern. Most sugar-free sweeteners are considered safe by regulatory agencies when consumed in moderation. However, some have a controversial history. Saccharin, for example, was once linked to cancer in lab rats, leading to warning labels and public concern, though later research suggested the risk didn't apply to humans. Aspartame has faced scrutiny for potential neurological effects, though extensive studies have not confirmed significant risks at normal consumption levels. Still, some people report headaches, digestive discomfort, or allergic reactions after eating foods containing certain sweeteners. It's also important to consider that not all sugar-free sweeteners are created equal. Stevia, derived from a plant, is often marketed as a natural alternative, and some people prefer it for this reason. Monk fruit extract is another up-and-coming sweetener, praised for its clean taste and minimal after-effects. Meanwhile, synthetic options like aspartame or sucralose are more widely used, but sometimes criticized for their chemical origins and potential side effects. Beyond individual health, sugar-free sweeteners have a broader impact. For example, what happens to these compounds after they're consumed? Some artificial sweeteners are not fully broken down by the body and can end up in wastewater, where they resist degradation and persist in the environment. Scientists are now studying what effect this may have on water systems and aquatic life. raising concerns about long-term ecological consequences. So, what does all this mean for the average person trying to make healthier choices? The answer may not be as simple as switching to sugar-free alternatives and assuming they're harmless. Moderation remains key. If you have specific health concerns, such as diabetes, sugar-free sweeteners may be a useful tool, especially if used thoughtfully and in combination with a balanced diet. But relying on them as a primary solution to sugar cravings or weight management may not yield the results you expect. A more sustainable approach might involve retraining your palate to appreciate less sweetness overall. This means gradually cutting back on both sugar and sugar-free sweeteners, allowing taste buds to reset and making naturally sweet foods, like fruits, more satisfying. Whole, unprocessed foods, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins form the foundation of any healthy eating plan. When you do indulge, it's better to savor real treats in small amounts, rather than seek out endless substitutes. Another helpful strategy is to become a label detective. Food manufacturers often use clever language to disguise the presence of sugar or artificial sweeteners, listing them under unfamiliar names. Carefully read ingredient lists and be aware of what you're consuming. If you notice that a sugar-free product has a long list of additives or artificial compounds, consider whether it's really worth including in your diet. Ultimately, the eye-opening truth about sugar-free sweeteners is that they aren't a magical solution. They offer benefits in specific situations, but come with potential drawbacks, some known, some still being discovered. The best path forward is an informed one. Understand what's in your food, listen to your body, and make choices that align with your personal health goals. The pursuit of sweetness is a natural human instinct, but the way we satisfy it has changed dramatically in the last century. By questioning the promises of sugar-free sweeteners, learning from scientific research, and embracing a balanced approach, you can make choices that support long-term health without falling for simple shortcuts. So the next time you reach for a sugar-free snack or drink, pause and ask yourself, is this really the best option for me? With knowledge and mindfulness, you'll be better equipped to make decisions that support your well-being, today and for years to come.